Hello, Excel Geometry kids. Welcome to the start of class. I am Mr. Nelson. This is my 24th year teaching here at Byron High School. So I've been here quite a while. Obviously this year is going to be a little different. Some of you will be face-to-face for class each day. Some of you, depending on the day, then will be online that particular day, depending on which cohort you are in. Either Byron or Bears. We're going to be using Google Classroom for class. That is something the math department here is switching over to. We have used Moodle a lot in the past, but now we're going to be using Google Classroom. That's where materials, lesson videos, things like that will be housed. A lot of what we used Moodle for in the past. For Excel Geom, we will be doing, I will be running it flipped classroom, where you, other than the first day of class, you will be watching the video ahead of time. When you come to class that day, whether you're face-to-face, if it's your cohort that's here in the building, or online, we'll be doing some board problems, so kind of a quick overview of the lesson for the day, and then you will have time to work and ask questions. It is mastery-based. Excel Geometry is mastery-based. You will be taking mastery quizzes, and then we will have unit assessments. There will be a chance for a retest, one retest on each unit assessment if you want to. Obviously, with our hybrid model that we're using here to start the year, some of you will be in the classroom that day, and some of you will be joining from home via Google Meet, but you need to be online checking in at the start of class. I will be taking attendance each day of the kids that are online, and obviously the kids that are in the face-to-face classroom. Looking forward to a great start to the year and a great start to teaching you guys about geometry. Have a great day.